Luckily, we got a lot of good and constructive feedback from our customers. So this allowed us to improve the process even further, and now we can present the PowerFuse S with stable processes for PA12 of HP and EOS as well as for TPU materials. So in general, our solvent is capable to smooth a broad variety of materials, but in the beginning we focused on the mainly used materials, which are for sure nylons and also TPUs. So for the nylons we can do both the HP materials like polyamide 11 and 12 and also the EOS materials. So other polyamides can be processed in the PowerFuse S. And for the TPUs, we started with the Lehman and Voss TPU as it is on the market and well established for a long time. But now we also started to develop a process for the EOS 1301 TPU as well as for the BASF-based TPU, which is printed on the HP printers. Our vapor-fuse surfacing is the perfect process whenever you need smooth and glossy surfaces. One good example for an application where VFS brings you a big advantage is, for example, these prosthesis inlays, because here you have a direct contact with your skin and you might need to clean it from time to time. So as the material now is water repellent, you can easily clean it and wash it away. But also for other medical applications or in applications where you might have some food contact, the new process brings you a big advantage as you have not the problem of any loose powder anymore.